Denver's newest approach to enforce the urban camping ban is not being well received. There's this street enforcement team that gives civilians the ability to hand out citations to unhoused people on the streets. That is not that program. You're actually seeing video of a different program called the STAR program. That program has seen success. It's where mental health professionals respond to calls instead of police.
Some community organizations want to make sure the two groups aren't going to the same calls. 9 News reporter Mark Salinger explains why.
Denver's STAR program has achieved something difficult. Both the city government and community organizations say it's working.
This marks the second year of STAR.
STAR sends a paramedic and a mental health worker to certain 911 calls instead of police.
And when STAR was designed, it was designed to protect a very vulnerable population.
Alexander Landau works with the Denver Justice Project and sits on the STAR Community Advisory Committee. He recently joined all the other members of the advisory committee in voting to ask the city to keep STAR completely separate from Denver's new street enforcement team.
It does serious damage to the integrity of the program and the people who have pioneered this effort and the simple recipients of the services if we start to incorporate levels of law enforcement.
The street enforcement team, or SET, deputizes civilians with the power to issue citations to people camping on city streets. SET members have trained with STAR team members for months and often call STAR for help on calls. Vinny Cervantes also sits on the STAR Community Advisory Committee as the director of the Denver Alliance for Street Health Response. He says that while STAR provides help and resources, SET criminalizes homelessness.
So I think where STAR is an answer and a really transformative option for the issues that happen in our city, SET is an extension of an already existing awful approach to homelessness.
While they all serve different functions, they do so, in my view, in a complementary fashion.
Jeff Holliday is a deputy executive director at the Denver Department of Public Safety. Before he helped launch the SET team, he worked with the Denver Department of Public Health to help launch the STAR program. He says both can coexist.
They both serve a similar purpose in that regard, in that they free up law enforcement to focus on more serious crimes.
The city says it's moving forward with both STAR and SET working together. The street enforcement team has already been active in Denver for several months, patrolling areas with homeless encampments. So far, they've only given out warnings, no fines. That's because supply chain issues have prevented the team from getting their uniforms, and city council won't let them write tickets unless they're wearing those uniforms, Kyle.
For real, the civilian anti-homelessness team just needs uniforms, and then they're going to start fining people.
I didn't believe that was the reason, but yes,
Yeah.
that's the reason.
That's wild. All right, Mark Salinger, thank you.